Good morning, my denture family, small buddies. What is up on this very early Easter Sunday? I hope everyone has a good one. I'm about to do my morning routine as of cleaning my denture. I've already done my oral care, cleaning my gums and my tongue and doing the rinse. And it's always just as important to clean your dentures because you don't want to put dirty dentures in a clean mouth. You don't want to do that, or vice versa. Like I said, I'm about to do the cleaning now. I have put a towel in the bottom of my sink to cushion the fall if needed. Because when you get them, I like to get them lathered good. So I have dropped them before, but I don't hold them really no past the faucet. I'm probably like down here gripping it because I like to get them lathered. But yeah, I'm about to do that. Going on my third day of using the Cleanadent denture and gum cleansing paste, and I love it. I can tell you right now, I am definitely going to trade in my regular tube of toothpaste and my other denture paste for just this one. I like everything about it. Great information on the tube, back and front, as well as the box. There it is. I love it. No more dry mouth. And for me, I wear my dentures a good 16, 18 or more hours. It just depends on that day. And usually about that time, I'm feeling like I'm ready to just take them out because of having dry mouth. But this stuff really does work good. It does moisturize good. I do like it a lot. Like I said, there's great information here on every part of this box. Pardon that. My dog just thought it was for him to chew on. But I do. Yes, you always look for the directions on any product. You look for the directions and abide by them. If you want the best result out of that product, you want to go for the directions and follow it. It's very important to do so. So yeah, I love it. And if you want to go to Dr.B's dentalsolutions.com, check out what is there. All his products are available. All the product descriptions on each product. Go take a look. There's good offers on there. And here is the Cleanadent. There it is there. It's got a light smell of toothpaste, which I love. When you brush your gums with this stuff, do not swallow it. You rinse with warm water. Well, I rinse with warm water, but just rinse it out. It's a must. It's very important. Got it on here a couple times. Do not swallow. And before I let you go, I want to say this. Just because you wear dentures now does not mean you lack or stop cleaning your dentures or doing your oral care. You have to keep that up because your dentures can build up tartar and plaque just like your real teeth. You have to keep your oral care up. It's very important. You don't want bad breath. You don't want them starting to look, you worked hard for getting these. You went through a lot to get those dentures. You want to keep them as beautiful as you want. You can, as long as you can. So yeah, I'm very happy with the Cleanadent. Alright, I will see you tomorrow, hopefully. No, I will see you tomorrow. Just hope you join me in Denture Talk at 9 p.m. Eastern on my channel here. Have a good evening. See you in the comment box. Bye.